Make your child lie down. Good, you know that. And comfortable. Good morning. Morning. I got my body. Morning, guys. Morning. Got some have on the mask. You go and stay up there, so yeah. Cause it choke me under my neck. Yeah, morning. What I go on in a planka shop? What's going on? What's going on? Yes. Anyway, good morning. Morning. Who they have ball this morning? I say I water. Around. What's cooking? Morning, morning, morning. Born up and about. Good morning. Blessed good morning, each and every one. It's a beautiful day. Yes, it is. Right here in a jam down. But I road around them already. I mean, I check my message then because so much people message me when I'm a birthday. So much people acknowledge me when I'm a birthday. I never know say, I through my can't say Duyen page. Cause admin I take them black Duyen off of my page. Duyen they do a happy birthday or something for me, so I just see it this morning. Somebody send it come a little clip of it in my inbox, and it did it from my birthday, and the person did I say, Auntie, Duyen did big you up today, you know. Big up yourself, Duyen. Big up yourself, thank you. And you have my personal number. You are one of them who have my personal number. I never seen a WhatsApp message from you, so I never know. Anyway, I don't know if it did it because I don't know how so much people have that number. Yeah. The amount of WhatsApp message in them, I lie down, I read them. I go through them since from morning. So big up yourself. Thank you for the shout out. Bless you. Alright. So, anyway, walk on. Good morning, Auntie Dana. Glad to see that you are in the land of the living. Yeah, man, I wake up this morning from 3 o'clock. If you hear them want to sleep, right now, I go put jar down the mask like a sup on them. And lie down here and take 1-2 little minutes what I sleep. You understand? Yeah, morning, everybody. Why YouTube live did nice. They were mixed up last night. No drama or nothing. We just have a little talking. Shout out happy birthday to my daughter. Happy birthday to your daughter. Shandy, happy birthday to your daughter-in-law. Okay, happy birthday to daughter-in-law. Yeah. So much night there I can't lie down in peace. Because the man them a work over me yard and be there nearby to it. You know, so anyway, bless up on yourself, let me see. Positive vibes on YouTube, yeah. I don't know, somebody said Duyen seems like what? He has lost, hold on. I not see so it gone. It gone, I not see it. Oh, Maureen McKay said Duyen seems like he have lost his way. And is now acting like a prat on his life. Unsubscribe, I have no time for nonsense. Oh, I don't know how I'm at, but I don't feel him is a prat. Might be him have condition, things where him struggle with like everybody else. That is why a lot of people don't understand how me love Duyen, you know, and respect him. And I'm in a tech side, I'm in a want nobody mix up. Me not take no side if me love Duyen. I'm always say me know Duyen from long time. Me and him never like dip on phone and talk about nobody. I dip on phone and talk. He's always, I auntie, how you doing? You alright? Auntie, I love you word without end. And him doing it and him gone. Just that we keep it casual. If me say something for my life and it offend him, he will text me and say etc. That's just it basic. Everybody is different and might be have issues where people don't know about or struggle with issues where people don't know about and might be him don't know if to bring it across, etc. But we have to accept people for who them is. When I go tear him down, and as me say, when I'm social media mix up and them something, I stay away from it. I never want to know about it. If I watch my phone and I see it gone, you understand? I see it, I run and fight and stuff like that, you understand? I can't take the mix up, I don't have no time for it, you know. Over YouTube, cool and nice and like a cucumber, yes. Over there, nice. And some of the other people them place and I just wake up and early and clean. So any spotless of people actually sitting blurry. Let me clean off the lens. So I just going to take up the phone now. So when I clean and shine, I people them place this way me in. We make sure everywhere spotless. Tina come on, do a shadow. And my bed spread up and I lie down in a Joshy bed you know. And I go get up here now because I have somewhere to go. And so. Alright, if you don't want your Pastor Ellis to tell me last night, you don't have to go over YouTube, go watch the live last night. Alright. Somebody said doing is a two-sided cutlass him used to cuss you before him name start call. Whole heap of people used to cuss me and still cuss me. I mean I pay them no mind. Now me I sit back and do less talking. You understood? All who cuss me, all who talk me, still a watch me, so that's how it go. Blessings, auntie. Well, if I will chat people to when we are come, me go kind of grow it out and now come up on a different level. And so, and if me say something or me talk something, and somebody say something and I chat, me just start me talk what you say. And me not put in what me no say, or what me no say. So you better when you no come talk to me. Because I not tell no lie for nobody, and I not tell no lie for myself. If anybody say anything to me, and me talk it and no chat, me chat back. Alright? Yes. But the right here clear mountain view. Now have a problem in our world. Alright. Oh, you tell me if you please change the topic, Tasha. You hear me over here with anything I can't talk about? And that nobody can program me, you know, Tasha. One thing with me. If I come over here, and me talk something, and me say something, I go say my piece, and me done. You understand? Nobody know no secret for me. Nobody can spin me like a battery dolly. Nobody can hold no rope on my neck. Nobody can have nothing for me. Say, if you not do this, or if you not talk this, me I go open up my mouth. For none of you can have no secret for me. For me not even loyal to my own self with secret. Much less to make people hold things over my neck. Alright. You understood? So, nobody can program me when fit talk from when no fit talk. That's why I ain't a phone I chat up nothing with nobody. That's why you can say if you not tap talk, me I go play your voice note. If you not tap talk, me I go say you say. You don't call me no want to hear nothing. And if you no send me something, I no want to see it, I no want to hear. Black could and tell you no come in on my inbox. And if you no send me any video with anybody who chat me black could. That means say you no have a second chance again if you send me nothing more. Alright. Alright. So. So let me tell you now that me I want somebody where nobody can hold no secret for. For me, can't hold my own secret. Alright. Yes. I will the rest of I will buy a light up so far. You understood? Then me could have make social media. You know, see that see little video where they do with me and I see. Nothing I see. In I pool. Nothing I pool. In I slide water. And them a test me with it. And say one cup hard cup. You know what me do? Put out it. What that mean? That mean you know can't say no now hold nothing hostage over me. That means if you don't want to put out, you don't put out. And if you don't want to put out, you don't put out. Alright. Make me laugh off of my own self. Yeah. Me keep where me fi keep. I may not talk where me fi talk. Alright. And it so alright. People why you not always go from page to page. They no bring no mix up over here, you know, come here go shut. Admin I want there. Wake up. And why you so have to tell God? Either because him see everything. Yeah. I may tell God. That's it. Yeah. You know, so when the whole of them come out, so them attack things about me. I be a lie then tell. For them can't come out and say me tell them nothing. Me and them do nothing. Me thief nobody with them and me chat nothing. You know, so they don't know where to talk so till lie for me. Alright. You don't see that? My mind no one business. And me come in a phone, come make Jamaica people and the world know say, when a Christmas time, you don't have to have a fruit cake alone. You can have rum, you can have coffee cake, you can have sweet potato cake, you can have plantain cake, you can have sorrel cake, you can have ribena cake, you can have java cake, you can have nuts cake. You know what I'm going on? You can have vegan cake, and December me have two come off add to it. You know, see me make the whole world on social media know say, me don't have time for mix up, because my brain never tick. Right now pudding season I come up and my brain they have bus. And I think what kind of pudding for come with. Alright. Because I know any pudding me come with it I go sell. You understandable? I'm the right now I want make you know say. Social media is a wide scale place. And you can stay right in there and be a billionaire. Because I turn millionaire already, you know, I got 5 billionaire status. And I right here then 10 finger here. My business I go carry me there. Why me get stopping on my pathway with one who would make me couple millions well, you know, in the US, you know, but make me watch and see what God have in store for me. For I don't know what make red flag come put up there. But me can't question the pastor. I mean not question God. So I want to know say social media no fi mix up cause that na go no nothing for una go always in a mix up in a phone. Think out there. You know say me come in a social media can't take up all player. Eh? Me do one player. And when me done sign, me get whole heap of money for the player. Me not talk 100, 200, 300, 400. Me gone way up in the 100 for the player. Alright. Whole heap of contract. And then now in the hundreds. So when you sit down in the phone and look for me and laugh, you hear it? I hear me into the billionaire status. Right here with my phone. Right here with my business. So when you stay there make mix up. All of who in a mix up, you know, put on nowhere. More in the phone and people are listen till they get tired of it and tired of it. Alright. So anyway, so me come in with a idea, you know. You soon see everybody start wear Masters bandu. You no can say, you no see it yourself. Style. Now we go comb the hair and fix it right. Alright. Inventor of the bandu mask. Inventor of the bandu mask. Alright. I mean, I introduce the whole of you go open up on your YouTube page. Because you lie down right here month and get to no US check every month. If me in the America, I couldn't work them the money there. So, I mean, I work customer where somehow you take all 3-4 months to collect a month time. So, you sit down in a phone and watch me. Sit down in a phone and talk about me and I learn sense in ya. You hear for you know how much sense somehow you know. All this sense for you have to come in a phone country as people. And nobody now read mix up. You see over for me paid no mix up now nobody. Every month me I work with Google. I work with Google and Google pay me. Every month me draw down million ad views. One in a phone I take on them out a ton actor do all kind of foolishness. Me a teacher, you know, but you know not learn. You know not learn. You know not use ya. And ya. I say, oh no fool, me no know no fool so. Yeah? If me can't come in a phone con chat foolish and Google pay me a month 10 time. Eh? Who know na learn, who know see idiot though? Let me show you gully. I don't must sit up here on the side of the gully. You know what? You know live in a uptown and live in a foreign street. And me tell you no say me live near the gully ridge. Oh, you can't see gully from here, so the gully there right out there, so. See gully there out there, so. And me there on the gully side. And you know take no lesson from me, then go and go take it from my talent, because I not teach you no nothing. Young girl make C1. And me a teach you no. Say, me sit down right here. Don't I go the side. And you not take no lesson from me. You don't want to learn nothing. Why not phone in a bag and mix up? Eh? I tell you no. That's why I never buy you know. You know, see me hardly over here, I just come chat gibberish over here. And go sit down around my chair. Last night when me check, January not done yet. And I got 2.2 million views. That means if I little live them when me do me get over 7. Jesus. I say me get 1.5 day before you see the views for the month. And the month not done yet. And I got 2 million and had views. I saw no more to work for free in Facebook all the years and come out to Rastaja. I saw no more there work for free. Alright. Oh, I like me go fit on now. Car. Somehow don't have not a sense in a John shop. No sit down there, yeah. Sit down right there, one there. Alright. Anybody over here want to big up their YouTube page? Anybody over here want me shout out there? I go and put up something I want to post up on the YouTube page. You hear? I go and post a link now. And say all I want to put on the YouTube page pan it and go over there. Alright. Oh, but well asleep here now. Kate now bacon check alright. Oh, we got the YouTube people that will teach me sense. So I want to learn nothing over here. Over here free outlet. The amount of sitting with them tell me over here for me get paid. Alright, but they say them a test out to see how much stars me get. Me now look on them. Anyway, YouTube people take off this kite over YouTube, they're urgent. Kite over YouTube, they're urgent. Alright. Where they say that don't say no more. Oh, teacher, Triple J. What Triple J? My husband, you dash me, you find that woman. Lord Jesus. And you know what I pay well heap of money now too. TikTok me here, you know. And you know, say me soon gonna know about TikTok fully. But then me go over there go to live, me never know if I save it. So then say them a send me back. You know, say TikTok pay what you get. And you know me that do well over TikTok there, you know. You know, say people that love me over TikTok. And me a go be in myself. You know that? Alright. YouTube people no use on the head you hear. No work for free. All of them in a phone a farm full of themselves. You don't go young one time. I understand some of them I don't know all not too big to a time until the payagi problem. Oh no. I'm a YouTube money tax you here. I'm get paid in the US. Alright, later. Soon over YouTube, me I go do my business. Teacher don't teach over here. We don't have no time for Facebook. Bye.